Hi guys, today welcome to DNCL Technologies, Bangalore. Today we're going to discuss SMBS part, and we can discuss today for feedback circuit, or we can choose R1 and R2. Yeah guys, already I said I think how we can choose per feedback race calculation for that TL431, that sun regulator they called, and one more thing we can call it as a Gina reference voltage also. So I need to set that voltage. So today we can go to discuss things, and this buck converter, and here we are using for this DC buck converter. So here I think you will see this one is I think TL431. This have I think 3 pin. One is the reference, another one cathode, 3 pin will be there. So next coming to calculation part, and we have a typical diagram like that. See, this for reference, this is a reference, this is a anode, this is a cathode. So like that will be there. So one coming to a typical diagram. So this is a reference 1, and anode 2, and cathode is 3. The symbol is like that will be there. This called for like as a diode family only. So it is for familiar using for some reference purpose, and we are using, and in this circuit we are using for this SMBS part, and SMS part coming to feedback line, how we to choose this calculation we can discuss here. Okay now, so I am using for TL431. So my part number is I think TI431 will be there. This one have different part numbers, so it will be there. So my so any part number 431 we have reference adjustable voltage, so that we have 2 volt to 40 volt, and 2 volt to 40 volt, and the formula we can use for this formula 1 plus R1 plus R2 and into V reference, so we can use. And next we'll use, and coming to diagram, I think this is thing I need output voltage I need 5 volt means. Okay now, output volt means I think you are going to converting that output section will be there. No, there how much voltage you need, maybe you need 5 volt or 12 volt or 6 volt mean, depending upon this voltage you need to calculate this feedback. So my output voltage is 5 volt, so I am assuming here. So my R1 and R2 will be there. So here and there we're going to connecting is like that only. This anode will be there, this is anode, this is cathode will be there. So what we'll do, this anode we are going to connect for ground line, and cathode we are going to give for optocouplers. So for SMBS circuits, power side we give for this cathode we can give for optocouplers. So we can discuss the next section. So coming to this two resistor, how we to choose, and I said reference adjustable voltage is 2 volt to 40 volt will be there. So next coming to my formula. So coming to formula, so I need to regulate my voltage is 5 volt, so assuming me. Okay now, so according to 5 volt, and I reference you can see data sheet, there will be that 0 to 10 milliampere. I can assuming I am taking a 7 milliampere. So now I need to check total resistance I called V by, so I am using for basic formula equal to Ohm's law, or equal V by I. So here we can assuming as RT V divided by I reference we know already 7 milliampere. V also we know. So what voltage output load we need, or so that load only we can take here. So 5 volt divided by 7 milliampere. So 5 divided by milliampere means we need to put 0.007. So you can do calculation means will come 7 you can get 714.2 ohm you will get. So here this my total R1 R2, got it my point. So this one and this two, so both will get for this one 714.2 ohm. So next this is a total resistor. Now I need to find next R2. Now I know V reference V by I reference. I know how much I know. I know for 7 milliampere 2.5. I can calculate with 357.1. V I know. So V I am taking here